Aspersion is a noun that refers to a damaging or derogatory remark made about someone or something, often with the intent to harm their reputation. It can also refer more generally to slander or defamation. In its older and less common usage, aspersion can mean the act of sprinkling, particularly in a religious context, such as sprinkling holy water. Origins of aspersion. The word aspersion comes from the Latin aspersio, meaning a sprinkling, which derives from aspergere, to sprinkle on. By the late 16th century, the term had developed its figurative meaning of casting doubts or slanders, metaphorically sprinkling harmful accusations over someone's reputation. How to use aspersion. Aspersion is most commonly used in formal or literary contexts to describe the act of criticizing or defaming someone. It often appears in the plural form. Aspersions, especially in the phrase to cast aspersions, theos meaning to attack someone's character or reputation unfairly. Example sentences: she resented his baseless aspersions on her integrity. The politician's opponents cast aspersions on his motives to undermine his campaign. Despite the aspersions cast against him, he maintained his composure and dignity. Similar words: slander, false spoken statements meant to damage someone's reputation. Defamation, the act of harming someone's reputation through false statements. Calumny, the making of false and defamatory statements to damage someone's reputation. Nuances of aspersion. Aspersion typically implies an unjust or malicious attack, often without evidence to support the claim. The term carries a formal or serious tone, making it well suited for discussions of reputation, ethics, or morality. Unlike casual insults, aspersions tend to be more subtle or indirect, designed to create doubt or suspicion. In essence, aspersion captures the power of words to harm reputations and spread doubt. It's a reminder of the ethical responsibility involved in making accusations and the potential damage caused by careless or malicious statements.